Hi, my name is Dori O'Neil, and I've been a very successful business person that recently semi-retired, and I've been helping people own and operate their own home-based businesses and helping small businesses for more than 50 years. And I really enjoy the prospect of taking somebody that's brand new to the world of making money online and helping them become successful. And so that's my mission, is to literally take people, hold them by the hand, and help them make money online. And I was recently introduced about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, actually, to a platform called Pictory, which literally took me from being very basic on video production and never being able to actually use video to make money to having people go, wow, that was a great video. Wow, how did you do that? And it's been my little secret. And so I'm very much incorporating teaching and training people how to make money online and making Pictory one of the core elements. So when somebody gets involved in a platform, it's literally a affiliate marketing university online. And the beautiful part is it's free to enroll. So once they enroll in what's called Master Affiliate Profits through my link, not only will they gain access to a university online, but they'll gain access to my training. And I provide all of this training for free. And a key component of driving traffic to the front end of this master affiliate profits is video marketing. And so one of the first things that they'll learn is how to create a YouTube channel and get that process started. And of course, we all know that people have an absolute fear, not everybody, but a lot of people, of actually having or appearing online on a video. And so Pictory solves that challenge, I should say, by having all of these wonderful tools available within it, like the AI voices that are available. And so somebody can literally enter in a text of the script that they want to do. Pictory not only will take that script and put it into a pre-done format, which you can begin editing, but then you can actually choose the accent, the person that you want to do that will actually do all the talking for people. So it's an amazing platform. And then, I've been involved with Pictory for a couple of years. What's amazing about the platform to me is the constant development, the constant enhancements to what the platform will deliver. So when I first got involved, there was a lot of B-roll that was good, and I was very impressed with it. And then they brought on this other service that I immediately subscribed to, and it took the B-roll from being good to unbelievable. And that was an amazing enhancement for me. So going from being a beginner to possibly being considered a great video producer by some people is something that I can duplicate with all of the brand new people that I bring in to my Master Affiliate Profits platform. And so imagine being able to come from a background that has nothing to do with online marketing. Maybe it's a butcher, maybe it's a hairstylist. They come in, they want to come on board, they want to make money online, they want that security, that extra income. And normally they would be faced with, oh my God, I got to create a video. How do I start? Pictory solves all of those challenges by being able to take the novice, literally hold them by the hand and say, step in here. All you have to do is produce a video script. And then that's where I come in, because I'll teach and train them how to use AI. It's not scary at all to create that script. You just literally paste it in, hit enter, and Pictory does the magic. And then we will provide advanced training how to even get more out of Pictory by being able to add GIFs and layering of video images, etc. So Pictory is an amazing platform. It ties in with my mission, which is to help people make money online effortlessly and seamlessly. And one of my other missions, and this is a real truism as people come into the affiliate marketing world or make money online, or even just promoting their own products, the platform that I am doubles as a lead gen platform. And so a lot of people, when they come into the industry, the challenges that they face are they don't know who's real, who's ethical, who's going to provide them with a product that will actually work. And so when I aligned myself several years ago with Pictory, I knew that this was a partner company that I could safely recommend to my team members to get involved with, so that they could have the assurance that they were getting into a platform that would be there today and years from today. And not only that, the CEO of the platform, he recognizes the need to continuously innovate and enhance the platform so that it meets the needs as the online world changes. And as we know, just a few short years ago, no one knew what AI is or was. Now it's in everybody's face 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. And Pictory has embraced that model. And they were embracing that model before it was mainstream. So I believe that this is the perfect companion to my Master Affiliate Profits platform. And by the way, if you're looking to get involved with me, because there are other people in Master Affiliate Profits, it's yesenroll.com/map, M-A-P. That's yesenroll.com/map. That's my official affiliate link. You can enroll for free, and there are paid membership levels, and you can just check out all the videos, over 200 that I produced on Pictory, that will explain the whole platform. And I look forward to working with each and every one of you, teaching and training you. And there's a opportunity for you, if you do join my team, to gain access to some advanced training that the CEO has offered me, but you have to join to get those details. My name's Dori O'Neil. Thanks for taking a few minutes to listen to what I have to say.